What are we gonna learn?
Phonic sounds.
So, what are phonic sounds? Which we use for creating different words. Like A for apple. A, P, L, A. Apple. So, the sound of A is A. A. B. K. D. A. F. G. H. A. J. K. L. M. N. O. Orange. O. Ostrich. You know what is ostrich? O. P. Parrot. K. Queen. Queen. R. S. T. Umbrella. V. S. Ya. Z. What is this?